I'm also a gamer. I have done something really cool. I bought the Asus Rog Ally, this little gaming device, instead of the Steam Deck, because it was Windows, and I felt it would be more compatible with me trying cameras and other things out with the technology. With the Rog Ally, I now combined it with Atlas OS. That is this new set of extensions that reduce Windows and makes Windows more efficient. I also added a 2 terabyte SSD to the unit, put a few little heat sinks around some of the areas where it gets hot, put it all back together again, and now I have this really cool device that gives me about 45% more minutes of gameplay. The fact that I could get a little bit more gameplay out of Starfield on battery is just really cool. And what Atlas OS does, it reduces the amount of processes that Windows is dealing with. I started at 220 and I reduced those down to less than 120. So that's about 100 processes less. And that makes a difference with battery life because processes in Windows are ongoing and they eat up your bandwidth or your precious battery life. I enjoy taking technology and just making it a little bit better, considering a bit of a hack of the technology, but it's really good.